I'm gonna show you something, Don.
What?
And I want you to look at it very carefully. And then I want you to think very carefully about what you say to me. That's a federal boat, Donnie.
I really don't think that's the same boat.
That's the same boat. It's got the name on the left hand. It's like my name. Yeah, that's that Abscam boat.
You think I knew that was a federal boat? You think I'm a fucking rat?
How many times I have you into my own house?
Twice a week at least.
Yeah, there it is, at least. I cook for you.
Yeah?
If ever I had any money, I'd give you. I never had any money, but if ever I had $100 in my pocket, I gave you 50, right?
Yeah, you did.
If you're a rat, if you're a rat, then I'm the biggest fucking mutt in the history of the mafia.
Even if this thing is a federal boat, Left. They scam all these other people. They didn't scam us. You know what I'm saying? We went, we had a great party, we walked away from it.
How do you know that we walked away from it?
Well, we're sitting here, right? So they tried to outsmart us, but we outsmarted them. We beat the agents. You gotta believe me.
Okay. Let's go do this work. Get this over with. Pull him back of the ear, like pushing a button. Bing, bing. That's it.
Yeah.
Don't freeze up. You gonna freeze up?
Nah.
A lot of guys freeze up.
Nah, I'll be all right.
Did I say you's a rat? I can't believe you brought that up.
Come on, forget about it, Left.
I never said you's a rat. I'm your best friend. Come on, let's go do this thing. Come on, Doc. Come on.